The Ways and Whys of Recycling is sponsored by Rumpke, the recycling leader.
Hi, I'm Jeff Snyder, the Director of Recycling for Rumpke Waste and Recycling. And I'm here to tell you that recycling works and it is important to our environment and to the better health of our population. But not absolutely everything can be recycled. Contaminants on recyclables is often a leading reason that items are rejected from the recycling process. Messy containers, food left in pizza boxes, plastic bags, toothpaste tubes, paper towels, and napkins are items that are often mistaken as being recyclable, but instead disrupt the entire recycling system. Additionally, cassette tapes, bed sheets, hangers, metal chains, garden hoses, batteries, needles, syringes, polystyrene, car parts, food waste, light bulbs, drinking glasses, and ceramic pots and pans are all things you should keep out of your recycling bin. Still, if they can't be recycled, there are alternatives to just dumping everything into the trash. Items like buckets, pots, pans that are clean and still working can be donated to charities, or they may be used for someone else for repurposing. Your local hardware store may have a collection program for items like rechargeable batteries or certain types of light bulbs. Certain electronics and tablets and computers can sometimes be traded in for discounts on new items at your local tech store. But of course, some things just need to be put in the trash, and that's what it's there for. But with a little consideration, we can decrease the number of items heading to the landfills. The list of items that you can recycle at your home is always changing. For more of the latest information about recycling and other useful tips, visit rumpke.com. The recycling leader.
The Ways and Whys of Recycling is sponsored by Rumpke, the recycling leader.